how to change your video resolution when you export it. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to export your video on Filmora and change the resolution in easy and fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the export option right here, as you can see. Now this is the resolution that we have. Now if you want to change it, you have just to click on settings right here, and then you will have the option to change it in easy fast way. You have many options, and also you have the custom option right here. You can change it to whatever resolution that you want and click OK, and that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching till the end.